Today we are going to discuss the Jackson surname meaning and history. But before we get started, we wanted to let you know that we offer affordable genealogy research at coadb.com. The meaning of the Jackson surname: it's an English and Scottish patronymic surname meaning the son of Jack, derived from the personal name Jack, a medieval nickname or shortened form of John, a masculine given name meaning God is gracious, derived ultimately from the Hebrew, and popularized by two figures in the New Testament, John the Baptist and John the Apostle. Early bearers of the surname in the British Isles include Adam Jackson in Suffolk, England in the year 1327, Adam Jackson of Stafford in 1351, William Jackson of Yorkshire, England in 1379, and Andrew Jackson of Aberdeen, Scotland in 1409. Early settlers to the New World included John Jackson in Massachusetts in 1635, John, Richard, and Samuel Jackson in Virginia in 1635, Edward Jackson in Massachusetts around the year 1636, James Jackson in Virginia around the year 1645, and Jonas Jackson in Virginia around the year 1651. Noble titles held by the family included the Jackson Baronetcy of Hickleton in the County of York, a title created in the Baronetage of England in 1660 for Sir John Jackson, the son and heir of Sir John Jackson of Etterthorpe, and Hickleton, a member of Parliament for Pontefract. There was also the Jackson Baronetcy of Hardham House in the County of Wiltshire, a title created in the Baronetage of Great Britain in 1791 for the naval commander and administrator politician Sir George Jackson. And here we see the family estate of Hardham House. Another was the Jackson Baronetcy of Arsley in the County of Bedford, a title created in the Baronetage of the United Kingdom in 1815 for Sir John Jackson, Director of the Honourable East India Company, and he represented Dover in the House of Commons. The Jackson Baronetcy of Fork Hill, a title created in the Baronetage of the United Kingdom in 1813 for Sir George Jackson, a member of Parliament for Coleraine in the Irish House of Commons. Here we see the family estate called the Manor House. Notables who bore the surname included Andrew Jackson, the 7th President of the United States and notable U.S. Army general who served in both houses of the U.S. Congress. Henry Jackson, born 1747, a Continental Army officer from Boston, who served during the American Revolutionary War. Frederick George Jackson, born 1860, a notable English Arctic explorer. Mercy Ruggles Bisbee Jackson, born 1802, an American medical doctor and one of the first women to earn a Doctor of Medicine. And she was also a lecturer on temperance and women's suffrage. And Thomas Jonathan Stonewall Jackson, a Confederate general and military officer who served during the American Civil War. If you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com where we offer affordable genealogy research. Thank you very much.